Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here to show my solidarity with our great Qaid Mulana Fazlurhman for his stand against this unjust and brutal system and against anti-democratic forces. Though females are not allowed to participate in this Azadi March, but we females, while staying at our home, will pray a lot for the safety of our Qaid and each and every participant of this march. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect you all and give you success against this in this jihad against this brutal system. We will support and will take stand in your struggle for the rights of common men and for the civil supremacy. At the end, I want to pray and I want to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, please give long life to our Qaid Mulana Fazlurhman, our elected beloved Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif and his lioness daughter Maryam Nawaz. We just want our old Pakistan back.
Assalamu alaikum. My strong Pakistani. I am a student of university. As we know that Mulana Fazlurhman, the chairman of JYF, announced Azadi March towards Islamabad on 27th October for the sake of our country, for the sake of our people, right? It aims toppling PM Imran Khan's government due to performance and many other crises. Although we women are not allowed to participate in Azadi March, but we will support him through social media and we will pray for him. We will hoping best for it and may Allah succeed him in his mission. Thank you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मैं अनीसा दुरानी, मेरा ताल्लुक उस्मानिया शोबतुल बनात से है। मैं अपने कायद मौलाना फजलुर्रहमान दामद बरकातुहुम को उनके इस मिशन आज़ादी मार्च में उनको सपोर्ट करती हूँ। हमारा मुल्क इस्लामी जमहूरिया पाकिस्तान पर बना है और मैं चाहती हूँ कि हमारा मुल्क सही मानों में इस्लामी जमहूरिया पाकिस्तान बने। इसमें खुलफाए राशिदीन का निज़ाम राइज हो और इस निज़ाम को एक आलिम से बेहतर कोई नहीं चला सकता। मैं दुआ गो हूँ कि अल्लाह तबारक व तआला कायद जमीयत को और उनकी इस क़यादत को अपने हिफ्ज़-ओ-अमान में रखे और उनको अपने इस मिशन में कामयाब करे। कायद जमीयत जिंदाबाद, इस्लाम जिंदाबाद।